Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another DIY video, and in this video I am going to share some art related DIYs. First of all, I am going to show some art related DIYs that I have made recently, and after that I am going to share some art related DIYs that I have done in my previous videos. Before I get started with this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Also, if you like my work, please give this video a big thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's begin. So for this first DIY, we have to take stone, acrylic paints. Now here I am painting the rock with black acrylic paint. Let the rock dry. After the rock is dried, take earbud and start making minimal designs on the stones. You can prefer the way I am making here. Nice and vibrant colors. Do minimal designs. So our first DIY is ready. You can use it for paperweight or for decoration. For this DIY, you have to take a sunboard and paint it in black acrylic paint. Let it dry and draw any design on the sunboard. Now take white acrylic paint and paint on the design you have made. Now take any paint of your choice and go with the lighter shade. Now you have to make an outline to your design. And finally paint with the original color. So here's the outcome of the painting and it look awesome. You can go with any design like evil art or hurt. This last DIY, you have to take a sunboard, any container, now take some acrylic paints and water. You have to slowly add the water in the acrylic paints and mix it well. Make sure that your consistency is right. You can go with any shades like warm shades or dark shades. Now take the container and pour the paints one by one, layering each other. Now take the sunboard, keep it on the plastic container or any container and flip it like so. It will give a beautiful look. Now make it flow everywhere on the sunboard. This is the final look of the art. You can use it for as a decoration. So now I am going to share some art related DIYs that I have made in my previous videos. So the first DIY is this one, that is a colorful mandala. I will give all the links in the description box and in the I button over here. And if you don't want to make this colorful mandala, you can go with this black mandala. I will give all the links in the description box and in the I button. So this is a mandala. And after that I have made this dot painting on a canvas board. This is very easy. You can do this when you are bored. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit that red subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Comment me about my next video ideas. I will meet you in my next video. Till then,